Hi, everybody. The district gave us this exhibit to examine the effectiveness of reading instruction in each our school's RTI response to intervention tiers.
Okay.
All right.
Oh,
They want all the third grade teachers to look at it together. I've never seen a figure like this, though. Can you help?
Oh, I've seen something like this before. The exhibit shows how students change their RTI classifications from fall to winter. Students in the red boxes receive Tier 3 reading instruction, students in the yellow boxes receive Tier 2 reading instruction, and students in the green boxes receive Tier 1 reading instruction.
can you explain a little bit more?
Sure, the total number of students in this is 40. That's all our grade 3 students this year. There are 5 students who started in their Tier 3 programming in fall, 18 students who started in their Tier 2 programming in fall, and 17 students who started in the Tier 1 programming in fall.
Okay, I get that we had Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 students in fall, but what are all these arrows again?
These arrows show the progression of students who receive Tier 3 instruction in fall. These arrows show the progression of students who receive their Tier 2 instruction in the fall. And these arrows show the progressions of students who receive their Tier 1 instruction in the fall.
What do you mean by progression?
How they changed from fall to spring? Whether they stayed in the same tier or moved to another tier.
Oh,
Now you're getting it. Let's look at it a little bit more closely. This shows the 17 students who were in the Tier 1 programming in fall of 12. This shows the 15 students who were in the Tier 1 programming in the winter of 12. The green arrow shows the students who started in Tier 1 and stayed in Tier 1, 15 of them. The yellow arrow shows the students who started in Tier 2 and stayed in Tier 2, 2 of them. The red arrow shows the students who started in Tier 3 and stayed in Tier 3, none of them.
Okay, so based on this, how effective were our different RTI programs?
The Tier 3 interventions are not promoting student growth.
and Tier 2 interventions are promoting growth for some students, but some students are falling further behind.
And the Tier 1 students are generally staying in Tier 1.
Right, so should I propose that we focus on Tier 3?
Yeah, I think so.
I agree.
I agree as well. Maybe Tier 2 also, since a lot of students only stayed in Tier 2 and some even moved to Tier 3.
Okay, thanks.
Sure.
No problem.
So long.